welcome to my food channel. This is Anagha Koka, and in this video I'll be showing you a spicy egg tomato curry. It is tangy, spicy and full of nutrition as it is loaded with protein. And let's watch how to make this particular recipe. And if you have liked it, do hit the like button, and if you want to see more videos, do subscribe. So let's watch how to make spicy egg tomato curry. So let's start the spicy egg masala curry. First we need to dry roast the ingredients. First I'm going to add coriander seeds, then black pepper, green cardamom, cloves 3 to 4, cinnamon stick, and 2 dry chilies. This we are going to dry roast on a medium flame for a minute and then grind into a powder. Make sure the flame is on a medium or low medium, as it might burn. So now this is dry roasted. I'll take this into a blender and make it a powder. This should be made into a powder now. So the powder is ready. Now we'll go for the next process. Add oil, slit the boiled egg, fried properly. I'm going to take this out. I'm going to take out little bit of oil. In the same oil, we'll be putting the next ingredients: cumin seeds, green chilies and curry leaves, coriander leaves, bay leaf. Now a cup of onion, finely chopped, let this get fried properly. Add ginger garlic paste, add tomatoes, are completely mashed, we add the dry ingredients. Add turmeric, salt, chili powder, and this roasted powder which you have made. Mix this. A handful of coriander leaves and half a cup of water. Mix this. pour the gravy on top of each egg. Make sure you don't flip this as this might break. Add little crushed kasuri methi, coriander little, and a teaspoon of ghee. Keep it for 1 or 2 minutes and then we'll switch off the flame. Now you can switch off the flame. Just slowly open it. So this spicy egg masala is ready. A little more coriander, and I'm going to serve directly like this. Okay, you can take it in a serving bowl also, but you can directly serve like this as the eggs might break in case if you try to flip it. So directly you can serve it from here, from the pan. So here the spicy egg masala is ready, and if you have liked it, do hit the like button, and if you want to see more videos, do subscribe. Thank you.